Well, my Super W-6 has some problems with the starter. I think it's the switch itself or the connection on it is the problem. I don't think the battery is bad completely because it does charge, but it's absolutely dead when I try and start it, so we'll see if we can find out what's wrong with it and what I need to get so I can start with a starter. It's nicer than hand starting all the time, even though this tractor starts probably about the best hand cranking tractor to ever start, but still it's nice to have a starter, especially when I'm using it in the winter. So you gotta do it safe, disconnect your battery. Usually your ground you want to disconnect first. And there again, this is seized and it's a sign that it's getting hot. Yeah, the battery bolt broke. Have to get another one. Yeah, this I think is problematic. I've had trouble with this tractor in this way before. Switch off and clean everything up and make sure the contacts are good. I got new switches for it, but I don't like the new switches. These are a lot better quality if you can make the originals work. If you could use the originals at all, you're better off, is my experience with them. That may just need to be cleaned up. The contacts, they just need to be cleaned up and stuff. I dropped my screw, which I don't like. Never sees on this. I think I probably got enough just on that is filled on the side. Yeah, that's all I needed, just something like that on the screws, because they do tend to seize in. And if they seize in, then you don't only have trouble getting them out, you may break them. I found a different screw. I couldn't find the one I lost, so I found a different one that's gonna work fine. And this one just the Phillips head screw. You know, I think I'm gonna add this thread has been stretched. I'm gonna add a washer to it. There, that should fix it. If that don't fix it, I don't know what will, honestly. Must be a bad battery if that ain't enough. I believe I fixed the switch. Okay, I got that side hooked up. I'll put my hook my starter button back up. There we go. I'm gonna get a new bolt for the my positive cable. That was a problem, I'm sure it was. Okay, this is what I found the bolt. It's a little long, but this is what I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna put some of this on to prevent it from seizing on. And plus it prevents the battery gases from corroding it too. This is way too long, but it'll get me by. I get a shorter one later. If my battery is bad, I'll get a new one tomorrow. I like to get an interstate battery if I can, something of good quality. The best is Costco batteries, but they only sell 12-volt ones. And if they're new rules, I don't know if they'll sell one for an old tractor to be used in an old tractor anymore. I could switch it to an alternator and go 12-volt, but you know, everything on this tractor works very well. If the problem's in these battery connections, then 12-volt won't help you anyways. That's because you're not addressing the problem. Okay, let's see if this thing actually works now. If not, I'll have to get a battery. Nope. I find it odd. Sometimes you put a screwdriver behind it works. I find it really odd that did my starter go? I'll shut this off. I can replace the starter on this tractor if need be. There ain't much life in this battery actually. There's some, but not much. I don't have a voltmeter on the... Look at that. There's not a lot of life in that battery, I don't think. W-6, which I pulled the front axle off for my diesel, my TA diesel. And there's a starter here, so I'm gonna try and put it on my good Super W-6. You need a stage 2 to have the right starter or TA, because the stage 1s, they use the starter button by the gear shift like on them, and just the terminal in the starter, so you have to use a stage 2 starter to be right. Let's pull this off. And out comes the starter. See if this thing works. Yeah. Starter works. Box to get the starter out, so I'll do that. And we'll swap her out and see if I could get my tractor starting with the starter. Three box off. There we go. I could do this off camera, and I should. Okay, I'd always take your worst first, as I always say, so. These had never seize on them, which is why I got them off so easy, but I'm not, there's still some on, so I'm gonna just leave it at that and tighten these up. Now the starter's all done, we'll see if it works. My battery's getting tired, but we'll get her running. Maybe I should just put it to 12 volt and be done with it, but this works. Take that much to start this reaction by charging a bit better too. Okay, it's 4 a.m. now. We're at minus 25. Well, God bless you all. Catch you at the next video. Please like and subscribe.